Oui, je me souviens très bien qu'il a cassé beaucoup de studs.
I run, but I never hide. With knowledge comes power. And power is to be wielded wisely. Which is why, as the expert, I bet with bet. If you know CSGO, then you'll know the best way to bet on esports is with bet. The love of the game.
This is game fuel. It's domination in a can. Tastes like loser tears.
New Mountain Dew Amp Game Fuel. Victory in a can.
Taken North down.
Yeah, I think on the first day we didn't really show up. It was off day, so it feels really good to come in now and actually have all of our players getting headshots and playing this one.
Okay, well, yeah, next. So Malik was very optimistic when we interviewed him yesterday about your boot camp. Do you view it the same way? Do you have very productive time?
We always have these like little chats before the game.
Is it like reminders and stuff?
Yeah, reminders of like the strategy and some certain like quotes or like names to remember easier.
I just had one for curiosity's sake. So in that round that I've referenced, what position is going to allow the G2 esports players to push forward? AZ is going to get Kenny, and now Hunter knows where another member is, but still lurking around these smokes, not rushing into it. There's a minute left on the clock. He's just taking his time. With these 2 kills, he has the bomb train completely under control, and the remainder of his teammates now can get on over and help him out. So we find ourselves in a 2-on-3 situation, but Hunter's doing all the work here. Now with this forward position once again, Cajun has climber. Now you have to think about this game as well. There was a partial buy round where Amanak had that save for SG. He's brought that across, he's done 2 big kills. North are trying to get their way back into the round, and then Jax just says no with the Deagle, get 2
points to secure us enough spot in the big, I was going to say the big amp.
No.
Bigger.
But we have an opportunity here to have a potential 3-way tie in a lot of different scenarios, right? So tomorrow, NIP versus North, if NIP are able to take down North, they're going to go 3-0, they'll be straight